Hi children, today we are going to learn our third lesson, Happy Days Always. Already we have done warm-up activity and today we are going to learn the lesson. Okay. One morning, Marjorie's mother called out to her a number of times to wake her up, but Marjorie did not reply because she did not want to get up. Finally, Mama came to her room to wake her up. See, Marjorie, she is a little girl. See, you can see here, her Mama called her many times to wake up, but she doesn't want to wake up. She feels laziness. She doesn't want to wake up. Finally, her mother came to her room and she made her to wake up. Marjorie finally got up and crawled out of bed backward. She stepped down and tripped over her shoes and fell. As she fell, she knocked the vase. The flowers and water spilled on the floor. She looked for a towel but could not find it. She was annoyed and cried aloud. When her mother, Marjorie's mother, came to her room, her mother made her to wake up. Later, when she stepped down and tripped over her shoes and fell, her shoes was lying on the floor. When she woke up, when she stepped down, she fallen down by tripping over her shoes, and she fell down. As she fell, she knocked the vase. The flowers and water spilled on the floor. While falling down, she knocked the vase. Flower vase were there. She knocked it and flowers and water spilled on the floor. She wanted to clean the floor. For that, she searched for a towel, but she could not find any towel there. She was annoyed and cried aloud. She was very disturbed or irritated, annoyed in the sense. She was irritated and she cried loudly. Thus, Marjorie's day began topsy-turvy. Topsy-turvy in the sense, you can see the meaning in the glossary. See, in a state of great confusion. Marjorie's day began topsy-turvy, in a confusion, or starting of the day was not good, right? After breakfast, Mama asked Marjorie to go to the baker to get some bread. Marjorie was still annoyed, so she went out, slamming the door shut. She rode her cycle to the shop. She was so cross with the way her day started that she did not notice the beautiful sunshine and flowers. After having breakfast, she had her breakfast, okay. After having breakfast, her mother asked her to get some bread. Go to baker and get some bread. And Marjorie was still annoyed. She was still disturbed. And so she went out, slamming the door shut. While going, she shut the door with a loud noise, slamming. Shut the door with a loud noise. Why? Because she is in an angry mood. Okay. She rode her cycle to the shop. She was so cross with the way her day started that she did not notice the beautiful sunshine and flowers. She took her bicycle, and she rode her cycle to the bakery, and while riding the cycle, she did not notice. See, you can see in the picture what is there beside her. See, two sides you can see flowers. Flowers are there, right? Since she was in an angry mode, she was so cross. Cross in the sense you can see in the glossary, angry. She was so angry, so she did not notice. She did not see that the beautiful sunshine and flowers. Right. Hello, Marjorie, laughed a merry voice. Marjorie jumped with surprise when she heard her name. She turned around a little. She turned around and saw a little elf standing behind her. He wore a green suit and a pointed red cap. Hello, Marjorie, laughed a merry voice. Suddenly she heard a voice that, "Hello, Marjorie, who is that?" She surprised. She looked around. She saw there a little elf. What is mean by elf? Elf in the sense a small creature like a human being with pointed ears and magical power. A small creature like a human being with pointed ears and magical powers. See, suddenly when she heard the sound, "Hello, Marjorie," she looked around. There she saw a little elf. See, elf picture. Here you can see how it is. It is a small creature. It is looking like a man. See, it is small one, right? Two small man, and it has pointed ears. See, look at the ears. Pointed ears are there for him, right? She saw a little elf standing behind her. He wore a green suit and a pointed red cap. See what he wore? He wore a green suit, right? Green color suit and a red pointed cap is there. See, you can see the red cap there. And "Who are you and where did you come from?" Marjorie cried. She asked him, "Who are you and where did you come from?" "I'm Mary Chuckle from Make-Believe Land," replied the elf. "Why are you so cross today?" The elf replied that, "I am Mary Chuckle." He had said his name. "I am Mary Chuckle from Make-Believe Land," replied the elf. "Why are you so cross today?" He asked her, "Why are you so angry today?" "I don't know. I did not want to wake up," cried Marjorie. He asked her, "Why are you so angry today?" She replied that, I did not want to wake up, but mother made me to wake up. I know many children just like you who don't like waking up in the morning and who remain cross and ugly all day long, said Mary Chuckle. What Mary Chuckle said? She said that, I know many children like you. They don't want to wake up in the morning. They are not waking up in the morning and they cross and ugly. They will be angry and ugly for all day. Who said? Mary Chuckle said. I think you are also. Are you waking early in the morning? Are you waking up early in the morning? No, I think you are also like Marjorie, right? Are you like Marjorie? No, you are good children, right? Okay. See, Mary Chuckle said, some children are there like you. They don't like to wake up in the morning. They'll be waking up very late and they make their day cross and ugly. I really don't mean to be cross, but I just can't help it sometimes, Marjorie said. Marjorie said that, I don't want to be cross, I don't want to be angry, but sometimes it is happening like this only. Some days I don't feel to wake up early, and I will be very cross and ugly all the day. Sometimes it happens like that, right? In our life also it is happening sometimes like that. Why? Do you know why? Let us see in next class. Okay. Today we stop. Let us explain next. I will explain next page in next class. So your homework is to read the lesson full. Okay. Page number 29, 30 and 31. These pages means lesson. You have to, happy days always. This lesson you have to read. Reading homework is there. Okay. Read and record it and send to me in WhatsApp. Okay. I want to know whether you are reading or not. So you have to send me in WhatsApp audio. Okay.